Now with Canva, you can design anything. There are thousands of professional templates to get you started with. You can explore templates in a few ways. You can type in your keywords in the search bar, just like so. You could browse by document theme or scroll down the page and be inspired by so many templates. If you have something specific in mind, you can enter into the custom dimensions over here. In the top menu, you can discover templates by themes. You could explore photos and icon libraries, printed products, apps, and more. Or you could access Design School, where you could learn to use Canva. The sidebar also helps you organize your designs. You'll find all the designs you've created in this tab and designs shared with you by your team in this one. Now, creating a team is actually very easy. Just add the people you want to design with, assign roles, and invite them. You could also create folders for your designs, photos, contents, and ideas. Just keep your projects organized. Canva's homepage makes it easy for you to design anything at all. Now let's log in into our Canva course. Thank you.